জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Didn't Mother Sanjukta say that? The Alpana was ruined and it invited bad luck? Did you see it? When things look black, there's always a silver lining. Today, Lourdes Vishalakshi has proved it. I can't tolerate this anymore, Vicky. This girl has again foiled a long-standing plot of mine.
Calm down, Sanjukta. Calm down. No matter how much Nayan speaks about positivity, she doesn't know that bad luck is approaching this family. In the form of Jasmine. The bad luck will spread in the family. And in the end, there will be no trace of auspiciousness left.
Hey, it's okay.
Bless me, Dad, so that I can blow Nayan out of the water and become the elder daughter-in-law of Basu family. Until I leave Nayan in the dust and ruin Dripto slowly, I won't be at peace.
My blessings are always with you. You will get what you wish for.
That's what should happen, Dad. May I become Jasmine Basu, Mrs. Dripto Basu.
Good going, Aunt. Very pretty.
Could I do it? Did I really do it? Oh, Lourdes, I can't believe that I could do it. I could draw the Alpana for you, Lourdes. Nayan. Hey, Nayan. The impossible could become possible only. Oh, today you removed the poison which slowly gathered inside me. You removed all the poison. Forget about the bad things, Aunt Pratima. Start your life afresh. Why would you ruin the rest of your life for a person who left you?
Aunt, no more crying. It's really beautiful. Why are you crying, tell me? Huh? Don't do this, please. You did a great job.
I will also leave Dripto and go. Oh, Lourdes Vishalakshi, please make sure that his life doesn't get ruined either.
Aunt, don't cry anymore, okay? Look, there, the priest has arrived. Come on. Take your seat. Yeah. Grandma, come to this side. Sit here.
Yes.
Disgusting. I can't tolerate this, Vicky. Their happiness and celebration are poking me like a thorn. I'm not able to tolerate it.
What do you think? Am I enjoying this? But I'm still asking you not to go anywhere. Stay here. My heart says Jasmine will come here today. Then all their happiness will definitely be replaced by grave silence. Will you leave without seeing the blast?
I want to see it. Nayan and Deepu's ruination is the thing I want to see, Vicky.
That's my girl.
But Jasmine? When will Jasmine come?
Patience.
I will wait for the good news.
You will get the good news, Dad. the news of Drito and Nayan's end.
देवी विशालाक्षी नमस्तुते ओम।
Come on. Don't you want to offer your prayers to the Lord?
Wait. Not you.
Why did you stop me? The veneration is happening. Won't I offer my prayer?
I didn't say no. I said a little later.
All right. Despite being the elder daughter-in-law of the family, I won't offer my prayer, then who else?
Nayan will offer her prayer first. We didn't know about Lourdes Vishalakhi's grace before. Nayan is the one who told us about it. Nayan's ability to foresee is actually Lourdes Vishalakhi's grace. So, Nayan will be the first one to offer her prayer.
Really, grandmother. Sometimes your decisions are just awesome. Go, friend. You offer your prayer first.
Do I really deserve so much respect? No, grandmother. Not me. You are the eldest in the family. You should be.
Hey girl, did anyone ask you to give your opinion? Keep quiet and listen to what mother says. Deepu, come here. Give her some flowers to offer.
Here, Nayan. Take the flowers.
You are giving me the flowers. But tell me, where will I offer it, sir? I won't even be able to see the lotus's feet. No, don't give me the flowers. It's not needed. It's not needed. There was a time when I didn't start my day without seeing the lotus's face, and now there's so much darkness in front of my eyes that... I'm fed up of her drama. This is how she gains everyone's sympathy.
Nayan, why are you crying? Nayan, please don't cry. I'm there for you. Nayan. Nayan, I'm here. Why are you crying?
No, Dripto sir. I will try. I'll grope for the lotus's feet and...
Why will you grope when you have eyes?
Eyes. My eyes.
Yes, Nayan. I am your eyes from now on. Today you'll see everything through my eyes, Nayan. From the sun and the dawn to the stars and the night sky, you'll see them through my eyes, Nayan.
Every day?
Yes, Nayan. Every day. You'll see every moment of every day through my eyes.
But it won't happen, sir. I won't be here every day. Today is my last day.
Nayan, why are you silent? Why aren't you saying anything? Nayan, speak. Nayan, don't you want me to stay by you and be your eyes? Don't you want it?
No. I don't want to see like this, sir. I don't want to see the world like this. I don't want you to ruin your life by staying by me. I don't want the darkness to spread in your life, Triptosa. Why will you sacrifice your life for me? Why?
What are you saying, Nayan? Will my life get ruined because of you? How could you even think about it? You lost your eyesight because of me. How can I forget that? Tell me. That day you rushed out fearing my danger. You went to save me, Nayan. Had you not gone that day to save me, then you wouldn't have faced this. You would have never become blind. I am the reason you lost your eyesight, and you are saying that I'm ruining my life for you, Nayan. Why are you saying this? Why are you doing this? Please, Nayan. Let me be your eyes. Nayan. Nayan, will you not give me just a chance to repay my debts? Will you not give me any chance to repay my debts? The burden of debt is really heavy, Nayan. Maybe that's why I couldn't forget that burden and fall in love with you yet.
Repaying my debts. I have bound you in huge debt, haven't I, Triptosa? Fine. Today I free you from all the debts, sir. First the burden of debt, then the burden of a blind woman. Today I release you from all the burdens, sir.
Nayan.
What are you saying, Nayan? Deepu did not mean that.
Oh, yes. It's just a way of speech. You shouldn't take every single word to heart.
I know, grandmother. I know every word shouldn't be taken to heart. But some words always hit the heart. Nobody does anything. It hurts automatically.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet, Nayan. Don't trouble Deepu like this. He really did not mean to say this. Look at him once. You are getting him wrong.
No, Aunt Pratima. You all are not getting me. If you think deeply, you'll understand that I am not wrong at all. If I have the slightest bit of responsibility towards Tripto sir, then I should release him from all the debts today. Aunt Pratima, didn't you ask me what I would gift Tripto sir today on his birthday? Consider this. Consider this to be his birthday gift from me. Tomorrow morning I will leave this house.
What did you say? You will leave this house. Nayan, why don't you answer me? On what basis did you say that you'd leave the house? What did you think? Will I let you go even if you want to? When did you learn to take such huge decisions all alone, Nayan? You've learned to misunderstand me, haven't you, Nayan? Listen, Nayan. You won't go anywhere. You won't go anywhere, Nayan. Nowhere! Nayan, you won't leave me and go anywhere. Never. You won't leave us. Did you hear what I said? Did you hear me, Nayan?
Please don't, sir. Don't show such claims on me. Claims out of love. Does it come from debt? It doesn't. It can't. You are indebted to me. So don't show your claims on me for no reason.
Look at Deepu. Nayan is saying that she will leave, but he's behaving as if I hope she leaves.
Really, Sanjukta? You still don't understand Nayan's schemes, do you? Had she really wanted to leave, would she have mentioned this in front of everyone? She would have left silently. Watch her game without being irritated.
Your silence won't work, Nayan. We won't leave each other and go anywhere. We'll never leave each other. Do you get it? You will stand by me, and I will stand by you. We won't go anywhere. Nowhere.
Only I will stay in your life, Drito. Only me.
Who has come? Sir, whose voice is this? Is it Jasmine?
What is this? You're here? What are you doing here?
Hey girl! How dare you come to this house again?
Charmin, just get out. Get out, I say.
Have you forgotten that you were thrown out of this house?
It seems she has forgotten. She didn't learn from last time. So she has come to get thrown out again.
Oh, Lourdes Vishalakshi, why has Jasmine come here again? I have a strange foreboding, Lourdes.
What happened? What are you staring at? Listen, Jasmine. If you think Nayan has become helpless or weak because she has lost her sight, then let me tell you, you're definitely wrong. Our entire family, we all are with Nayan, okay?
Yes.
You are absolutely right, Jeet. If you think, Jasmine, that you will take advantage of Nayan's condition and harm her, none of us will let that happen. And you are so shameless that you're saying in front of all of us that you will be with Deepu? How could you say that? Didn't you hesitate before saying such a thing?